I'm on a mission this week to get my life together, mind, body, spirit. I'm turning 23 soon, and it's my last year in my early 20s, which is crazy because 24 means I'm in my mid 20s. Don't want to talk about that. 23, I just want to start a new year of life off on a good note. I want to get my home in order. I want to get myself in order. Things have just felt like it's kind of all over the place, which it might not look like that in my videos, but in my real life, I want to, you know, just start off a new year feeling good, feeling my best, and preparing for that. I'm going to Pilates right now. I've been on a pretty good workout routine of Pilates and doing cycle spin classes, so that's been super fun. I've been feeling really good about that, but there were 2 weeks where I didn't do anything because I was sick and then I went on a trip, so it's day 2 of like getting back into that routine. I also kind of just want to start building super good routines to lead into a new year for me, and so I want to wake up earlier, just get, you know, into a good groove. Let's put on my grippy socks and go put my legs in straps. I'm gonna make a little list of the things I wanna do over the course of the next few days because I feel like my apartment as a whole, it's organized-ish, but it's just dirty. Like I haven't done a deep clean in a while. So I wanna do some more organizing, some decluttering. I wanna like get on my hands and knees and do the damn thing. I need to dust. So I just wanna make a very specific to-do list because I feel like if I just put clean apartment, that's very broad. All right. Well, this is what I have so far. This is for like my apartment clean out. I feel like having a clean home just makes me feel so much better. And because it's always good to have a little bit of motivation, I'm gonna reward myself after I do a few of these tasks of giving myself some reading time because I am like 30 pages away from finishing A Court of Thorns and Roses, which if you know, you know. This is one of the most hyped up books that I have just gotten so many DMs about. All of you were so excited for me to read this, and I'm so close. There goes the tsunami warning alarm. As I was saying, I am so close to finishing this book. This is where I'm at right now, and I just have a feeling these last couple, like 2 chapters are going to blow my mind and rock my world. Pro tip, if you want to get stuff done, give yourself incentive to do so. Like after I do my homework or whatever work thing you have to do, I'll reward myself with a little treat or whatever it is. All right, let's get to cleaning. That was a full body workout. I'm sweating, but I got this bathroom and then the guest bathroom done from ceiling to floor. I also made some bags for donations for products and then some stuff that was super old, so I kind of decluttered like old skincare and stuff, which feels really good. While I'm on this roll, I think I want to take care of the kitchen. I've been meaning to do that for a while, just do a big deep clean. It doesn't even look like it's dirty, but if you know, you know. If you take care of your own place or you like, you know, clean your house or whatever, you know that even though something looks organized on the outside, doesn't always mean it's clean. So I just wanna like scrub everything. I'm gonna need some energy to get through this. This one is Celsius Green Apple Cherry. I feel like this would be a good flavor. feel like I got enough done today so far. I don't know, like, it's 3 o'clock. I don't want to have spent my entire day literally only cleaning. I wanted to finish this book, and I wanted to get my live reaction on camera to the ending of this because I just have a tingling sensation that I'm gonna freak out. Oh my gosh. What? I did not see that coming. I'm on chapter 46, if you want to know what I'm referencing, if you've read this before. What? That was quite crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna like need a second to process that. We're going for a walk. I haven't left the apartment all day. Micah just got home from work. He was like, let's go on a walk. I said, okay. Feel like a little barista. I needed some energy to get my day started. There's more things I want to get done today, starting off with a few errands. Made a little pit stop at home. Say hi to Coda. My parents are both working, but I wanted to see him because it's been a little bit. Okay. Holy shit, I'm so excited! I am so happy to be here. You probably will relate to this if you've moved out of like your hometown, but going back to your OG Target that you would go to when you were little, nothing like it. I'm so excited. I am making myself a little grilled cheese. I made homemade tomato soup the other night and we had grilled cheese with it and it was so good. I don't know why I've never thought to do that because it's so simple. And it was also like one of my favorite comfort meals growing up was just a grilled cheese. That's all I wanted. Whenever I would get picky about something, I would ask my mom to make me a grilled cheese. And so, I don't know, I just have an emotional connection to this little cheese sandwich right here. But I don't know, I feel like it's the perfect season to kind of try around some new recipes, and I love tomato soup. I don't know if you can see that, but I put some basil in there as well. I just looked up creamy tomato soup recipe. I think it was one of the first ones that I found, and it is so yummy. So I don't know, I just didn't want it to go to waste, so I'm having it for lunch today. I'm really finishing off this kids meal with a lemonade. You're kidding. I've been feeling a lot more motivated recently to make homemade things, and I think that's just because of the season that we're in. Like, I just associate these months with like cooking and cozy nights in. I don't know. I have been wanting to make a soup for dinner. I've never made soup before, so let me know if you have any ideas or like recipes, your favorite soup recipe, because I have been really wanting to make that. I'm refilling one of my, or not refilling, I'm changing out one of the diffusers that I have. One of my favorite things is to get complimented on the smell of my home. And I think it has to do with this. I don't really burn candles too often, but I always have some Reed diffusers. And this one is the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede one. One of my favorite scents from them. And I'm also in the middle of dusting. It tends to just sneakily grow. And like, that's disgusting. That's literally just from the baseboard, which is like this little thing. And it's so irritating because it catches dust so easily. Yeah. to stock up for the week. Got a lot of greens, some cheese, avocados, fresh avocado, jalapenos. I am so obsessed with these snack packs with like the chips and the meat and the cheese. I feel like it's like an adult version of Lunchables. Bread. Got my sourdough and then Micah's bread. Also, I finally got my pottery pieces back. If you've been watching my recent vlogs or you follow me on Instagram, I've been kind of documenting my whole pottery journey. And I was brand new to throwing on the wheel, but then I did like this intensive 6-week course, and I'm so happy with how these pieces turned out. I'm so excited to keep making more because I just found such a passion with it. But made some plates, some bowls. I made my first mug. I'm really happy with this one. I thought the swirl was super cute. I made this little vase, so cute. And then I think this is the one I'm most proud of. It's this marbled clay. I did red clay and white clay together, and then when I trimmed it, it revealed this marble, so I just did like a clear glaze over it, and I've been using this as a little snack bowl. We're doing some Sunday deep cleaning. Micah's scrubbing the carpet right now. I have this contraption. We've just accumulated some stains on the floor, and it's just time to finally do this. But here's our progress so far. That's disgusting. I wanted to do some physical self-care tonight, just so I feel good. So full body shave. And I also wanted to share some of the products that I've been loving, that I have been using a lot. I've been using this body wash. It's the OAUI body cleanser. The scent, Melrose Place, is so yummy. It is such a treat to use this. I smell so good. They also have like a matching body lotion and perfume if you really want to make it spicy, but I'll link it down below. I'm obsessed. It is a little bit pricier, but also, I don't know if I have one right now, but the Target Method brand body washes I also really like. And then for body acne, which I have struggled a lot with on my chest, on my back, the Curology Acne Body Wash. This is so nice. You can also get this at Target. I'll also link this down below. I've been using this so much, maybe like 3 to 4 times a week in the shower. I just wash my problem areas for acne with that, and I feel like it's helped a lot. And in terms of skincare, I don't know if you can tell because I still have quite a bit of scarring that I'm working on, but in terms of active acne, my skin has cleared up so much. I've talked about it a lot on my channel. It's something I've struggled with since I was a teenager and then into adulthood. Super frustrating. It would be just a lot of like underground hurtful acne or just, you know, like surface acne, whatever it was. A lot of it was hormonal, but I've simplified my skincare routine. One, if you want me to talk more about that in another video, I will, because I was just so over trying to clear my skin, trying so many different products, but I feel like I finally found a skincare routine that has really changed the game. But what I will say, the one biggest game changer that has cleared my skin literally so much and has prevented just so much acne and has really kept it at bay for me, I will show you, because it's not even a skincare like product, it's a tool. I actually think in a vlog, I don't even know when, maybe from a few months ago, I shared about it, but I'm gonna talk about it again because I need you to know about this. If you struggle with acne, it is going to change your life. It's this little light tool. It's called the Light Stim. Again, I'll have this link down below because I think it is so worth the money. Basically, I'll plug it in and show you how I use it, but it's this light therapy tool that uses red and blue light to target bacteria that lives under the skin, and it's just a really proactive way to help your skin instead of like being reactive when acne pops up. It kind of just eliminates the problem before it starts. So every single day, it is something that I have spent hours on over the past few months. It takes like 30 to 45 minutes depending on how many areas I do of my face to like do my whole face, because it's I think 3 minutes and it beeps every time and you do a different section of your skin. So I'll do like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 sections for each cheek. I'll do my chest, I'll do my forehead, wherever I'm having, not even wherever I'm having a breakout. Like, it does help with breakouts, but I will just do it in areas that I tend to break out in because, like I said, it's more of like a proactive thing. I do think it's worth the money. I think it's worth the splurge. I've had this for a really long time. I remember when I was going to my dermatologist, they had this really big light therapy tool that was essentially the same thing. I didn't want to go and pay to do that all the time and then have to go somewhere, but this is just like an easy at-home tool that you can do on your own time. You do have to make time for it. I will just do it while I'm reading or watching a show because sometimes it does get kind of like annoying sitting there, but it is so worth it. I already did it today, so I'm not gonna do it again, but I needed to tell you about this because this product has changed my life. And also in terms of actual like skincare products, I feel like I used to just do the absolute most with so many different products because I feel like that's what's pushed to you online and like marketing tools. They want you to use so many different things on your skin, and different things work for different people. I think people who have genetically great skin and don't experience like a lot of acne, their skin maybe isn't as sensitive if they use a shit ton of products, but I think for acne prone sensitive skin, it's almost just doing more harm than good if you do so many skincare steps. Again, everyone's skin is so different, so whatever works for you, but I have just found that whenever I'm keeping my skin simple, it's the most happy. So I'll just use a really basic moisturizer. The one I'm using right now is from Curology, but just one that doesn't have any fragrance, just a really, like I said, simple one. And the second biggest skincare game changer that has truly helped lighten my scars so much, which is something that I tend to get really insecure about just because I had so much scarring. I still do, but it was a lot darker before, and I've just been wanting to kind of lighten it. Retinol has changed the game for me. I'm not an expert, so I just assumed that retinol was for like older skin, for wrinkling skin, but it also helps renew your skin, thus lightening your acne scars and like discoloration. So this one's my favorite one. We'll also link this. I'm gonna link all the products for you because I'm just so passionate about these. I want you guys to experience them too. I'll only use that maybe every other night. When you first start using retinol, your skin really has to get used to it. So I was doing like every other, but now I kind of do every other night. I'm just gonna lotion up my body since I shaved, put on some comfy clothes. I think we're gonna call it a night. I just started A Court of Mist and Fury, the second book in the series, which is very exciting because I've just heard that the second book is the best, so it makes me very curious to read it and see what it's about because I really liked the first book. And it's interesting, a lot of people said the first book was like a hard read for them, but I didn't really feel that way. So if that was good and people think this is even better, I'm sure I'm gonna like this. So I have about 700 pages-ish ahead of me with this one. No easy task, but I'm just gonna read in bed. Hello. I had fully intended on this video was done to me. I was like, I'm done. Video's done. I've been reading my book. It's like an hour later. It's 9:30 at night. I need to rearrange my room. And like, now that it's in my head, I have to do it. It sucks that one, Micah's not here because it kind of sucks moving furniture by myself because everything's so heavy. And he's not here. And like, he's gonna come home at midnight when he's done with work and probably like trip over everything because can I do? My back hurts.